driveway, or the sidewalk, has been shoveled already twice today. My neighbor's tree fell. Luckily it's a small one. This is a tree I'm worried about. It's a very big, tall tree. Right at our power lines. Snow's up to the porch. It's up to the brick wall in some spots, which is about 3 feet off the ground. There's 2 cardinals, which I think means good luck. Check out the snow at our basement window. Alright, the snow is to the middle of my shin. My poor truck looks like a minivan. This is going to be one giant mess. Snow's all in my face. The wind. Can't even hardly see down the road. It's like a whiteout. See how much snow is on the roof. Man, do I miss North Carolina right now. Some idiot up the street on a four-wheeler. That's very deep. We'll be shoveling snow till September.